just waiting for their turn to speak. I was that person. I thought to connect with people, I must say something memorable, something funny, and something that is smart. But I was totally wrong. What I didn't realize is that the most powerful thing that I can do, not speaking at all, but just listening. A few years ago, I was a part of a group project. The kind that like everyone wants to speak, but nobody to listen. We were stuck. Every idea turned into an argument. I was right there, adding my opinions and defending my side. Until one moment, I stopped it. Just stopped it. And I stayed quiet and listened. Really listened. That changed everything. I started noticing things I had not before. People tones, people hesitation, their attention, even what they were not about to say. I realized it. Listening gives me the access to something deeper, really deeper, which is understanding. There are three major things that I learned when I started listening more than I spoke. First, listening can build a trust faster than any words. Second, people will feel safe when they feel heard and they will open up. Third, I began to grow not only as a communicator, but as a person who is more passionate, more empathetic, and more aware. Listening turned out to be more powerful than speaking. We are living in a loud world. Everyone is talking. But who make the biggest impact? They're not the loudest voices in the room, but they are ones who truly listen. So I invite you today and tomorrow and whenever you speak with someone, try to listen. Try to truly listen more than you talk. And you will be surprised by what you hear and what you learn. Thank you.